Man, I had to go to school, it sucks. Oh no, it's my dad.
Caillou, time for school. Caillou, don't act like that. Now go to school right now.
Man, I had to walk to school.
Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn about caillou gets grounded.
Ugh, Blunter, can I go to the bathroom?
Caillou, don't call me Blunter, and, no. You cannot.
I want to go now.
No!
But I am going to piss in my pants if I don't go.
Fine, but we are looking at the cameras.
I am going to pull the fire alarm like Jackson did. Ha 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 ha. All right, now let's pull the fire alarm.
Where's Caillou? He better not escape. Oh no, it's the fire alarm. Everyone come out.
Ha 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 ha. I just pulled the alarm. That's great. Oh no, it's Blunter.
Caillou, 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 Caillou. I heard you. You pulled the fire alarm for the fourth time like Jackson.
Wah! You slapped me.
Now the firemen think there will be no fire. Come with me. Hi Samster. Why are you so mad? Because Caillou pulls the fire alarm like Jackson did. Oh my god. Caillou, 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 get in here right now.
Ugh, what?
Caillou, you pulled the fire alarm, like Jackson did? That's it. I will call Turd Brad your dad.
No.
Hello, what did Caillou do now?
Well, Caillou pulled the fire alarm.
He did? Oh, I will pick him up. Man, I really hate Caillou. He is in trouble. Where the heck is Caillou?
He ran away.
Oh, I will find him. Caillou, you are not run away. We are coming home now. Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded, 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 for life. Now go to your room while I destroy your Xbox 360.
No, please don't destroy my Xbox 360. Wah!
Now stay in there, you stupid bald brat.
Man, I got grounded. Wah!